Crete is where ancient myths and historical wonders meet modern luxury and adventure. Picture a place where you can explore legendary temples, relax at top-notch hotels, enjoy stunning beaches, and tackle thrilling hiking trails, all in one island. In this episode, we'll take you on a journey across the largest island in Greece, showcasing its must-see spots and hidden gems. But first, let's kick things off with some fascinating facts about Crete. Crete sits at the crossroads of Europe, Asia, and Africa, making it a melting pot of cultures and histories. Located south of the Greek mainland, it's bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north and the Libyan Sea to the south. Over the centuries, Crete has been shaped by various civilizations, including the Romans, Byzantines, Venetians, and Ottomans, each leaving behind a unique architectural legacy. With a population of around 600,000 spread across vibrant cities, quaint towns, and charming villages, Crete offers a delightful mix of modernity and tradition. The locals are known for their impressive life expectancy, thanks to a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil, vegetables, and fish. Getting to Crete is easy, with airports in Heraklin and Chania receiving flights from major European cities and ferries available from Piraeus port. Just 15 kilometers northwest of Kissamos lies the iconic Balos Lagoon, nestled between the capes of Tigani and Gramvousa, and backed by the Platiskinos mountain range. Balos is one of Crete's most photographed beaches and a frequent feature in travel magazines. Even Prince Charles and Princess Diana once visited this stunning spot on their private yacht. Known for its crystal clear waters, exotic scenery, and unspoiled natural beauty, Balos attracts thousands of tourists every summer. Most visitors arrive by ferry from Kissamos port. To avoid the crowds, steer clear of visiting in July and August and aim to get there early in the day before the ferries arrive. The shallow, warm waters make it a perfect place for young children to play safely. Whether you choose to spend your time swimming, sunbathing, or simply soaking up the scenery, Balos is an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. But Balos is just one part of the larger Gramvousa Peninsula. Just a short boat ride away lies the island of Gramvousa, crowned by a 16th century Venetian fortress. Climb to the top of the fortress for breathtaking panoramic views of Balos Lagoon, the surrounding islands, and the endless blue horizon. Back on the mainland, a network of hiking trails winds its way through the rugged landscape of the peninsula. These trails offer spectacular views of the coastline, hidden coves, and a chance to immerse yourself in the raw beauty of the Cretan wilderness. Keep an eye out for local flora and fauna, including wild herbs, rare flowers, and birds of prey soaring overhead. For those who prefer to explore by sea, consider renting a kayak or paddleboard. Glide across the crystal clear waters, discover secluded coves and sea caves, and enjoy a unique perspective of the dramatic cliffs and hidden beaches that make this area so special. Whether you choose to spend your time relaxing on the pink sands of Balos Lagoon, exploring the historical ruins of Gramvousa Island, or venturing out on a hike through the wild beauty of the peninsula, one thing is for sure, this corner of Crete is a paradise waiting to be discovered. Nestled on Crete's northern coast, the charming city of Chania is celebrated for its natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. The most significant chapter in Chania's history was its Venetian period, from the early 13th century to the late 17th century. Recognizing Chania's strategic harbor, the Venetians transformed it into a fortified maritime hub. The city's Venetian architecture, narrow alleys, and bustling harbor create a unique atmosphere, all set against the stunning backdrop of the White Mountains. The Venetian fortress of Fircas, overlooking the harbor, stands as a testament to the city's defensive past and now houses the Maritime Museum, which delves into the region's seafaring history. The old Venetian harbor, with its iconic lighthouse and colorful buildings, is a must-see attraction. Chania's culinary scene is a true delight, emphasizing the Cretan diet, which is rich in olive oil, fresh produce, and healthy ingredients. Nestled on the southern coast of Crete, Matala is a small village known for its stunning beaches and rich history. This idyllic spot once served as a haven for hippies in the 1960s, and it still retains much of its bohemian charm today. Visitors can wander through the famous caves carved into the cliffs, which were once homes for ancient Romans and later a refuge for the free-spirited souls of the 60s. Matala offers a unique blend of natural beauty, historical intrigue, and a laid-back atmosphere that makes it a must-visit destination on the island of Crete. Heraklion, the largest city on Crete's northern coast, is a major urban center in Greece. Its history stretches back to ancient times, rooted in the Minoan civilization that flourished around 2000 BC. As the birthplace of the legendary King Minos and the heart of the powerful Minoan Empire, Heraklion has played a pivotal role in shaping the island's cultural and economic landscape. Today, the city seamlessly blends its ancient heritage with modern amenities, offering a captivating experience for visitors. Heraklion's cosmopolitan history is reflected in its diverse architecture, featuring Byzantine, Venetian, and Ottoman influences. Key landmarks include the 16th century Coulo's fortress at the edge of the ancient Venetian harbor, and the impressive Venetian walls encircling the old town. The Heraklion Archaeological Museum, with its vast collection of artifacts, provides a fascinating journey through the city's rich past. On the southwestern tip of Crete, about 75 kilometers west of Chania, lies Elafonissi. This stunning peninsula often appears as two separate islands due to the surrounding waters. Designated as a protected area, Elafonissi is known for its sand dunes and strict regulations against disturbing the natural environment, including plants, animals, shells, and sand. The peninsula's exotic beaches, with their white sands and clear waters, evoke a Caribbean paradise. You can easily walk across the shallow lagoon to reach the opposite side. The eastern side of the beach, facing the lagoon, is organized and popular with tourists, offering amenities like umbrellas, showers, lifeguards, and changing rooms. Nearby, there's a parking area and a few rental rooms for those who wish to stay. Although the road to Elafonissi is narrow and winding, the breathtaking scenery makes the journey well worth it. Located about 5 kilometers southeast of Heraklion, Knossos is the largest Bronze Age archaeological site on Crete, boasting a history that spans over 4,000 years. As the heart of the Minoan civilization, which thrived from around 2000 to 1450 BC, Knossos was a sophisticated and enigmatic society. The archaeological site features a labyrinthine complex of grand palaces, residences, workshops, and public spaces. The most iconic structure is the Palace of Knossos, which served as both a royal residence and a center of power and culture. The myth of the Minotaur, a half-man, half-bull creature confined in a labyrinth, is often associated with Knossos. While the palace's intricate layout may have inspired this legend, the truth behind the myth remains a mystery. The exact reasons for the collapse of the Minoan civilization are still debated, but the prevailing theory points to the eruption of the Thera volcano on Santorini around 1600 BC as a major catalyst for their decline. Falasarna boasts several kilometers of pristine coastline, adorned with soft golden sands that gently meet the shimmering Mediterranean Sea. Divided into 5 distinct beaches, the central beach stands out for its size and excellent amenities, including sunbeds, umbrellas, and beachside tavernas. Visitors can indulge in sunbathing, swimming in the crystal-clear waters, or engaging in water sports, such as windsurfing and snorkeling. Beyond its idyllic beaches, Falasarna holds echoes of its ancient past. Once a thriving Greek city and port known as Falasarna during the Hellenistic period, remnants of this ancient settlement can still be explored today. The archaeological site features remains of fortifications, towers, and harbor infrastructure, providing a glimpse into its strategic significance and maritime history and antiquity. Located off the northeastern coast of Crete, near the town of Elunda, Spinalonga is a small island with a big story. This intriguing destination is known for its rich history, which spans centuries and includes periods as a Venetian fortress, an Ottoman stronghold, and a leper colony. The Venetian strategic ingenuity is evident in the thick walls and well-preserved bastions that encircle the island. Despite its robust defenses, Spinalonga fell to the Ottomans in 1715, becoming an important Ottoman outpost until the end of the 19th century. Olive cultivation is another cornerstone of Cretan life. The island's olive trees produce some of the world's finest olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet, and a symbol of health and longevity. Additionally, Crete is renowned for its exquisite pottery, a craft that dates back to the Minoan civilization. Artisans in villages like Margarites and Thrapsano continue this ancient tradition, creating beautiful and functional pieces that reflect the island's historical and artistic heritage. These elements together showcase Crete's enduring spirit and its commitment to preserving its cultural identity.